if I can somehow get Michael and Con to meet, even if it's through my own struggles at home and everything, I'll know it'll be worth it.
Of course, I blame myself for everything. I sure can't blame Joe. I was a stupid man. I should have known better. We married too young. We did. We married too young, and everything moved too fast.
Why do you think he even does that?
Get off my land! Do you hear me? Get off my land, all of it!
Bye-bye, Con. Yeah, really apt name for who you really are.